Okay children, so we discussed about the topic how the garden changed into green color and the boy standing near the tree and was crying no to climb the tree, and the tree was full covered with snow and frost. So tree marinda leda giant em chesadu. Climb up little boy, said the tree, and it bent its branches down as low as it could. So the tree said telling to the boy, climb up, paiki ekku, said the little tree, and it bent its branches enta kindaki vanchagalavo anta kindaki avi chettu ongindannamata. But the little boy was too tinny ante chaala chinnavadu. The little boy was too tinny. It was then that made my heart melted. So by seeing this scene, the tree was telling to the boy was crying near the tree. By seeing this, the giant's heart was melted, karigipoyindi. Then what he did? The giant, how selfish I have been. Enta swarthaparam nenu. How selfish I have been. Now I know why the spring would not come here. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది నాకు, స్ప్రింగ్ ఎందుకు నా గార్డెన్ లోకి రాలేదో, నేను ఎంత స్వార్థపరుణ్ణి, ఎందుకు స్ప్రింగ్ నా గార్డెన్ లోకి రాలేదో నాకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది. I will put that poor little boy on the top of the tree and then I will knock down the wall. So what the giant is thinking, even though the tree has bended a lot like this, the giant can't go on the tree. So what the giant is thinking, I will put this little boy on the tree. Nenu babuni chettu meeda kuchobedtanu. Then I will knock down the wall. Aa goda ni cool chestanu. I will knock down the wall. And my garden shall be in the children's playground forever and ever. And he is thinking, appu na garden eppadiki ever and ever. The children can come, they can play, they can enjoy whatever they want to do, they can do. He will first keep the child in the tree, and then what he want to do? He want to knock down the wall. Old giant, I was really very sorry for what I had done. He is telling to the children, I am really very sorry for what I had done. Nenu chesin daniki I am very sorry. So I crept downstairs and opened the front door quite softly. So when he went down, he is seeing all these scenes from the window. Window nunchi chustunnadu ivanta. So after deciding what he did, he came down. He opened the door very quietly. Chaala nidananga door open chesadu annamata. And went out into the garden. He went into the garden. But when the children saw me, they were so frightened that they all ran away and the garden became winter again. So when they kept hold, no, that the giant had sent everybody outside. Tittes andani bayati panపింchesadu. Then what the children did? They kept a hold to the wall without knowing the giant and they entered inside. Now when they saw the giant coming towards them, when వెంటనే giant వాళ్ళ వెంటకు రావడం చూసి వాళ్ళు ఏం చేశారు? They were frightened. They were frightened and they started running. So when the children came down from the trees and when they started running, again the winter came. All the trees were covered with snow. Ventane trees and snow to cover away. Only the little boy did not run, for his eyes were so full of tears that he did not see me coming. A chinna appai matram పరిగెట్టలేదు. Why? Because already he is crying no that he can't climb the tree. So his eyes were covered with tears. So he didn't see the giant. So he didn't run. So what the giant did? So I stole up behind him and took him gently in my hand and put him into the tree. See here the giant. 1 second children. See here. The giant took the child's hand. He took the giant child into his hand and he is placing that on the tree. So what the giant did? He went there. That small child didn't see that giant. He went there. He took the child and he on the tree. And the tree broke at once into bloom, and the birds came and sang so on. The little boy stretched out his 2 arms and flung them around my neck. So what happened? When the giant kept the boy on the tree, then immediately the snow went off. వెంటనే చెట్టు మంచు కప్పేసింది కదా, అదంతా కరిగిపోయింది. And it began to bloom. పూలు పూయడం మొదలు పెట్టింది. And birds came there, started singing. ఆ బర్డ్స్ అన్ని అక్కడికి వచ్చి పాట పాడడం కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేశాయి. Then what the little boy did? He has kept his 2 arms like this. చేతులు రెండు చాచాడు అన్నమాట. Around his neck. ఎవరి నెక్ చుట్టూ? జైంట్ నెక్ చుట్టూ. Stretched out his 2 arms. Stretch అంటే ఇలా సాగుతుంది. Stretched out his 2 arms around my neck and flung them around my neck and kissed me. So the child was so happy. Why the child was so happy? Because the giant took the child and placed him on the tree. చెట్టు ఎక్కించాడు giant. అందుకే కదా చెట్టు ఎక్కలేకపోతున్నాడనే కదా బాబు ఏడుస్తున్నాడు. giant వచ్చి తన్ని చెట్టు ఎక్కించగానే he felt so happy that he has stretched his hands, flung them around the neck. చేతులు చాచి giant ని కౌగిలించుకొని ముద్దు పెట్టాడు. When the other children saw that, they came running back, and with came the spring. So when the children saw the giant, they ran away. No? Now when the children saw what the giant is doing, ఏం చేశాడన్న చూస్తున్నారు కదా వాళ్ళు. The giant took the boy, he placed him gently without harming him. ఎటువంటి హాని చేయకుండా బాయ్ ని అందులో కూర్చోబెట్టాడు కదా giant. All the children were very happy. They came back and the spring also came back. వాళ్ళతో పాటు స్ప్రింగ్ కూడా వెనక్కి వచ్చింది. The giant, it is your garden now. The little children, now what the giant is telling, it is your garden now. ఇది మీ ఇల్లు, మీ గార్డెన్ ఇప్పుడు. The giant said to the little children, old giant, I took a great axe and knocked down the wall, and when the people were going to the market at 12 o'clock, they found me. Yes, me, playing with the children in the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. So it giant అవన్నీ అవగానే ఏం చేశాడు? He said before, no, నేను అది చేసి I will knock the wall. అంటే ఒక గోడని పడగొట్టేస్తానండి. So ఆ బాబుని పైన పెట్టి when the children came back, he said to them, this is your garden. ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఇది నా గార్డెన్ కాదు, మీ గార్డెన్. And he took an axe and started breaking the wall. మొత్తం గోడంతా పగలగొట్టేశాడు. Then the people who were going to the market at 12 o'clock, మధ్యాహ్నం 12 మార్కెట్ వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళు ఏం చూసారు? The giant sat with the children there. పిల్లలతో కూర్చుని giant ఆడుకుంటున్నాడు. See, like this. Here the giant sat with the children and playing. No, the people who were passing there saw that scene and they were shocked. అసలు giant అసలు ఎవరిని తన గార్డెన్ లోకి రానియని giant గోడ పడగొట్టేసి తను కూడా పిల్లలతో కూర్చుని ఆడుకుంటున్నాడని ఎవ్రీబడి ఆర్ షాక్డ్. They had ever seen, ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు. Because always the giant, what the giant is telling, this is my garden, these are my flowers, these are my fruits. He is telling, no, all day long we played, and in the evening the children came to bid me goodbye. All day long, రోజంతా, all day long we played. మేము రోజంతా ఆడుకున్నాం. So in the evening they all will go to their houses, no? So the children bid me goodbye. They said goodbye, bye bye to the giant, and they went to their homes. Tall girl, now we have somewhere to play. ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఆడుకోవడానికి ఏదో ఒక ప్లేస్ ఉంది. Short boy, this is much better than the road. Yes, than playing on the roads, playing in the garden is very good. Square girl, yes, the road is so dusty and the dust makes me sneeze. Sneeze అంటే తుమ్ములమ్మ. So what the square girl is telling, yes, the road is so dusty and while I'm in here playing, if I inhale the dust, I'll get started sneezing. తుమ్ములు వస్తూ ఉంటే నాకు దుమ్ములు ఆడదా అని చెప్తోంది. Graceful girl, and the grass is so much nicer than all those hard stones. రాళ్ళ కన్నా గడ్డి చాలా బాగుంటుంది. So much nicer. It's very smooth, no? రాళ్ళు గడ్డి ఒకటే నాకు కాదు కదా. If we fall on the ground, grass, we will not get injured. దెబ్బలు తగలవు, మెత్తగా ఉంటుంది. అదే రాళ్ళ మీద పడిపోతే కొట్టుకుపోతాయి ఎక్కడికక్కడ. Round boy, I like all the flowers. Graceful girl, and the trees also. Not only the flowers but the trees also. Tall girl, how happy we are all here. Thank you, my giant. So the giant, but where is your little champion? The boy I put into the tree. I don't know. So everybody are telling and going to the homes. While going, they said, "Thank you, giant, for making us so happy." మాకు ఇలా ఎలా చేసి ఆడుకోవడానికి ఇచ్చినందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అని చెప్తున్నాను. సో జైంట్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్, ఓకే వెర్ ఇస్ యువర్ లిటిల్ శ్యామ్, ఆ చిన్న అబ్బాయి ఏడి? ద చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ టెల్లింగ్, వి డోంట్ నో వేర్ హీ ఈస్. ఐ డోంట్ నో, హీ హాస్ గాన్ అవే, వెళ్ళిపోయాడేమో. యు మస్ట్ టెల్ హిమ్ టు బి షూర్ టు కమ్ హియర్ టుమారో. సో టెల్ ద బాయ్ టు కమ్ హియర్ టుమారో, రేపు కూడా రమ్మని చెప్పండి. ఐ డోంట్ నో వేర్ హీ లీవ్స్, ఐ హావ్ నెవర్ సీన్ హిమ్ బిఫోర్. సో ద చిల్డ్రన్ ఆర్ టెల్లింగ్, వి డోంట్ నో వేర్ హీ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్, ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చాడో మాకు తెలీదు, ఎక్కడ ఉంటాడో కూడా మాకు తెలీదు. బట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు థ్యాంక్ హిమ్. వెన్ హీ కిస్డ్ మీ ఆన్ ద చీక్, ఐ ఫెల్ట్ యాస్ థాట్ ఎ గ్రేట్ వెయిట్ హ్యాడ్ బీన్ లిఫ్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ మై హార్ట్. కానీ జైంట్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్, ఐ వాంట్ టు థ్యాంక్ హిమ్. ఫర్ వాట్ ద జైంట్ వాంట్ టు థ్యాంక్? ఆ అబ్బాయి ముద్దు పెట్టగానే మనసులో ఏదో చాలా బరువు దిగిపోయినట్టు అనిపించింది. Lifted up a lot of weight from the heart. Who is telling these words? The giant. I am sorry, but I don't know. I don't think he lives around here. So the boy is telling, I think the boy is not with us. Maato undatledu. We don't think he will be with us. Malli vastadani kani maaku తెలియదు. So let's see who is that boy. Whether the giant found the boy, he said goodbye to him, thanked him or not in the next class, ma.